everyone. Today I'm going to show you how is my first sketchbook look like. And sketching is a very basic and daily routine for me, and I really suggest you to do your sketchbook daily as well. I think everyone should have a sketchbook to recording your daily life, what you feel, what you see, and to get your inspirations. And also, doing your sketchbook is the best way to improve your drawing skill. Whatever you're drawing with acrylic or oil colors, sometimes need you to do a little basics drawing at the very beginning. So sketching book is the way to practice how to draw different shapes, how to dealing with the relationship between the lights and the shadows. So just do it, no matter what. If you take a professional sketching class or not, just do it in your way. Your way is always the best. So I'm hoping you guys can show me your sketching book in the future. And now in this video, I'm going to show you my first sketching book.
Whatever it is, I can't supply all the diamonds, riches, and gold. Sever on your mind.